being a millionaire. I want to be a fucking billionaire. Being a millionaire is being broke nowadays.
Nice, Kevin. Nice, Caitlin.
And I don't have anything to do now. What now?
I still got 4 stones left.
Go get another one, Kate.
He's sucking on that damn 2-liter bottle like it's a fucking bottle of water. Look at him. He's like, nom, nom, nom,
Ken, that is an epic fucking picture of you and Cigar, dude. That is epic. That's classic.
Reminder, this video is going on YouTube of us burping.
Oh wait, we're on video? Wait.
Yep, I'm videoing our burping.
That means me and Vlad are gonna be on YouTube dancing too.
And we're already at 2 minutes and 20 seconds.
Trying to get my sugar rush to go away real quick, and then, yeah, I'll have to blow y'all out the water with my burping. I ain't going against the demo no more.
Hey, Kate. Kate. Can you get another Coke and burp? No.
Don't need that shit. Rawr. What you say, Mike? I will kick it out.
Shut up, Beavis. That was me. I farted.